Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. Um, I basically wanted to come on here to give beginner day traders a little words of wisdom, advice, things that I've gone through in my past. Getting into the trading and the stock market and things like this. So basically, if you're just starting out, what I would do is you're going to be searching all over YouTube or wherever. You're going to try to watch as much content as possible. And while there's nothing wrong with that, that's all great. But just be careful of the people that are trying to sell you on a premium membership, a premium package for just their chat rooms. I've proven in my other videos that you don't need to get into their chat rooms, to get these scanners that they say are very expensive. I show you, actually link it in the description how you guys can mimic through Thinkorswim anyway. The Warrior Trading momentum scanners, you don't have to pay for them. Everybody's saying that you got to join our chat room, you'll get our scanners. No, you do your own research. You could figure out exactly what stocks are coming up on their scanners. You can have for free as long as you have Thinkorswim. And I have a video on there of how to do that. Also, there's a lot of, I won't use any names because I'm way too old for that to get into YouTube battles. But just, I guess, be careful about who you watch. Um, People buying backside of momentum trades, things like that. I mean, if you're trading momentum stocks and you're trying to get, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents off each trade on the backside of a move after it already breaks its high a day and the short sellers jump in already and I mean, this is just not good advice. So just be careful about who you watch. There are some good, YouTube traders out there. You could take pieces, maybe like from each person. But at the end of the day, if you guys follow one person's trading strategy and you're always following them, there's a lag and you're always going to be behind everyone, even on their super premium chat rooms that they're trying to sell you. You don't know what's hitting their brains as they're hitting the buttons and then they're saying what they're doing. They've already made up their minds. You're always going to be behind people that way. Learn yourself, figure out what the best strategy is for yourself, and study as much as you possibly can, whether that's watching people making trades, which is really what I think is the best way to do it. These trade recaps and stuff, and where they can explain why they're taking the trades where they're taking them and why they're selling when they're selling them. All of that you can really put into your trading arsenal, and become a trader uh, for yourself. Focus on accuracy also. I know some traders on YouTube, they basically set a stop loss and they just, I don't, they sound, they make it sound like they're definitely going to go get stopped out. Like, who jumps into a trade and just sits back in their chair and says, we got our stop loss set. If it comes stops us out, it's okay. No, that's not okay. Try to be as accurate as you can, especially when you're first starting out. And if you are trading these momentum stocks that a lot of day traders are trading, try to get in there at great entries and take a scalp. Take a scalp trade. even if it's 5 cents, 10 cents, this is all really good. You don't want to hit a 10-cent target and then watch the stock pull all the way back after the shorts just batter it down. So you want to, listen, this is my strategy. I'm a highly accurate trader, and you're not going to be like that as a beginner, but also just be careful about, who you follow. There's a lot of really, really bad advice, especially on YouTube. Now, this is only my second week on the channel, but I've been, in the stock market for, how old am I now? This is like 25 years. So I've watched many stock markets. I've seen the dot-com bubble burst. I've seen the financial crisis. I've just been following it since I was a little kid. Basically my father is the one that got me into it, and he still day trades, and, he's doing well. He's over 60 years old and he's still doing it. So anyway, that was just my little words of wisdom for this weekend as we start our second week of the channel. We're growing. I really couldn't be any more thankful to the beginning subscribers. Really, thanks so much, guys. It means the world. And if you guys find this video interesting, hit the like button. That helps out the channel. There's going to be many more videos, but I just wanted to come on here. So it's a quiet little weekend, and that's it. So if you're new, subscribe. I'll link in the description, a video on how to find momentum stocks and how to find pre-market stocks. These are stocks that all the other day traders are looking at, and you can trade them. But if you do, I like my strategy about scalping, taking 5 cents, 10 cents from the market is awesome, and it works. And the only thing is you got to be accurate, but you'll dial in your entries. All right. So enjoy the rest of the weekend, and we will see you back with the next video. Thanks, guys. Take care. Enjoy.